Fellow leaders, ladies and gentlemen, honorable members of parliament here. I'm Dr. Bayiga Michael Lulume, Sarongo, my colleague, Honorable Lulume Richard. We are both members of the Democratic Party, members of parliament. We are here to appreciate the new way of beginning a year. I think this is the best thing that we have offered to Ugandans.
Exactly.
To offer all our faces united before all these cameras, before Ugandans, that you can sit together and work together. I think this is something that has been missing all along. Ugandans for a very long time have been looking at us as a segmented opposition. A segmented opposition, each of the parties presenting their own programs. Yet we know that we are too segmented and we are too few even to form government. They have been seeing the NRM ailing government, so sick. But they were seeing them as solid, behind a very old man, without dated ideas, leading a failed state. But Ugandans have been seeing them solid, behind a man leading a failed state. And they were waiting for a solidarity of parties that can work together, united in their own diversities. And here we are. Different colors, one people. We must celebrate this. I want to re-emphasize what the president of PPP has said, that we don't need to be derailed by those factors that have bedeviled us all the time, quarreling about who is placed where, who is taking this constituency, who is taking this local government, who wants to be president. There can only be one president at a time. We have not been realizing that. It has been a very big shame and required mindset change. And this mindset change has come today. If at all we can sit here and then we can move forward, it is possible that the Ugandan population will believe in us. And then they'll put Museveni and his regime in the history. And that is what we want to do. You have not seen me sloganeering DP, but I am so happy that people have sloganeered on my behalf. Simply because I know that most of you have the DNA of the Democratic Party. And therefore sloganeering, DP slogan is not something new. What we need now to know is that we need to invent new slogans not based on our political affiliations, because those are the things which are going to bring us together even more. Many times even leaders are derailed. They are derailed because of the supporters, intolerance among each other, simply because we are stuck to our old slogans. That's not enough to sloganeer, but to see how you can act a way forward which brings your leaders together. This is what is going to take us forward. I thank the leaders who have coined this and count on us as members of the Democratic Party. Some people thought that because Mao went to work with Museveni, he has gone with the party. Banuune kuvu. We are struggling to bring our party back, and we shall bring it back. We also pray for FDC, that the leader of FDC here, the Lord Mayor Elias Lukwago, nobody makes a mistake in public to call him just Lord Mayor. He's the president of the party. The health of our respective parties matters, especially when we know that when we sit together, each of these parties is going for the NRM. neddira mamba sigirya. Mu byobufuzi neddira anti, neddira FDC, neddira NUP, sibalya. Nze ndya ba NRM. Those are the areas we must eat. Eat all the NRM positions wherever they are. Go for them. And then we go for the top. That is what we want to see. And it will help us to create the harmony in the opposition fraternity and bring hope to the rest of the people, that these people can be the true replacement for our country and move it forward. May God bless you all, for God and my country.
You want to do it in Uganda? Do it in Uganda. No? It's okay in English? Without Uganda?
Yeah.
It's okay?
Okay. All right. Thank you so much. DP Oye! DP Oye! Honorable Joel Senyonyi Oye! Honorable Joel Senyonyi Oye! You're welcome, the Right Honorable Joel Senyonyi. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to invite the President of UPC, Council Peter Walubiri, to also use 3 minutes to address us.